Hello, Year 2. In maths, we're going to move on to looking at grouping and multiplication. But before we do that, we just want to look at what a group is. So in school, we're put into groups of children. You might have your phonic group. So that's the group of children that you go with to your phonic class. You're in a class with the group of children. So Gaudi class is a group, Morris class is a group, and Da Vinci class is another group. So a group is a set of items put together. You say the word group. 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 So here I have a group of pencils. One just fell on the floor. I have a group of pencils. Here I have a group of cubes. Not very good because they're going to fall out of my hand. So I have a group of cubes. So what we're going to look at is we're going to look at equal groups. Equal groups. Equal groups. Equal means the same. So the groups have got to be the same. Now they might not have the same colour in them. They might not have the same size in them. So for example, the children in Gaudi class are not the same as the children in Morris class. There are different children, but the number of children is the same. So the number in each group, the number of objects in each group is the same. So I'm going to draw a group. There's my group. And in my group, I am going to put 4 objects. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have one group and I have 1, 2, 3, 4 objects in my group. So I have one group. Next to it, I'm going to draw another group. So now I have 1, 2 groups. I've got 4 cubes in that group and I've got nothing in that group. So I'm going to put a cube in that group. Are my groups the same? No, they're not, because I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 here and 1 here, and 4 and 1 are not the same. So I'm going to put another brick in that one. Now are my groups the same? No, they're still not, because I've got 4 in this group, but I've only got 1, 2 in this group. So they are not equal. They're not the same. Let's put another brick in. Now my groups are equal. No, still not, because now there are still 4 here, but there are 1, 2, 3 here. So they're still not equal. They're not the same number of objects in each group. I'm going to put another brick in here. Now are my groups equal? I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 bricks in that group, and I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 bricks in that group. So yes, my groups are equal. I have 2 equal groups. Can you say that with me? 2 equal groups. 2 equal groups. 2 equal groups. Well done. So now I'm going to draw another group. So now I have 1, 2, 3 groups. How many bricks do I need to put in this group so that it is the same as this one and this one? That's right, I need to put in 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I now have 1, 2, 3 groups. So my circles are my groups, and I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 objects in this group, 1, 2, 3, 4 objects in this group, and 1, 2, 3, 4 objects in this group. So I have 3 groups, and there are 4 objects in each group. So they are equal groups. I hope that that's helped you understand what a group is a little bit better, and that will help you with your maths lessons for this week.